to our YouTube channel. My name is Amit and we are back with another informative video. Today I am going to show you how we can check the conversions in the Google Analytics. Because sometimes Google dashboard does not track all the conversions due to the data-driven attribution model. So how we can check? We can check it in the Google Analytics. So let's not waste your time. Let's get on the screen.
So now I am going to show you how we can see the conversion actions, conversion goals or conversions, because sometimes if conversions are not counted in your Google dashboards so how we can see all the conversion actions. So we can see all the conversions in the analytic accounts according to the niche. We have multiple goals like add to cart, checkout and purchase. We need to track all the conversion actions, but sometimes the conversion actions are not counted in the Google dashboard. So how we can check? We can check it in the analytics. So now I am going to show you how we can check the all conversion action data one by one. So let's open your analytic account. Once you open your Google Analytics account, you can see on the left hand side, you can see the reports. Just click on the reports. Now you can see the generated leads, and on the down you can see traffic acquisition button. Just click on the traffic acquisition button. After clicking on the traffic acquisition, this interface will be appear. So here you can see the all traffic source data. To check the Google CPC data, so we need to add a filter. Session source and medium. Add a filter. Here you can see all the data where you got the conversion, like the direct conversion, Google CPC and Facebook as well, and other channels as well. So we need to check the Google AdWord data. So we need to check the Google CPC data on the, and now you need to, so now which action you want to check the data. So you need to add filters that firstly we can see the add to cart data. Just add the filter, and here you can see we got 14 add to carts through to the Google. Now we can check the purchase data. Yeah, so here you can check we got 67 conversion from the Google's CPC. So here is the whole data, and from here you can see all the data if your data is not tracked in the Google AdWord dashboard. So you can see the data here and optimize your Google Ads campaigns accordingly.
If you found this video helpful to you, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.